Pramod Pawar. Sanju, with regards to this Dubai link that the BJP is talking about, we have put out full details of what this Dubai link is. Dubai link, tonight we are exposing the gold smuggling angle, the Hawala route which comes all the way from Dubai to Calcutta, where these operations still continue. You've heard Nikhil Jain once again raising this question that why hasn't the government really acted if they were aware of the fact that there is gold smuggling that has been going on? Why does it really require a Republic Media Network to really expose this? But the fact of the matter is, the reality is this, that the Chhattisgarh government, despite filing multiple FIRs, they did not do anything for the scant regard that they had for even protocols like the lookout notice.
Okay. Now like Nikhil doesn't like to be heckled, I'm sure he will extend the courtesy to me. I just have this to say. First and foremost, on a lighter note, since Nikhil made light of the BJP's research department, I just have this to say, Nikhil, हमारे research department का तो पता नहीं, but Congress का research department, where Rahul Gandhi says, today morning I woke up at night, यहाँ से आलू डालिए, वहां से सोना निकलेगा, और आज प्रियंका वड्रा का एक वीडियो वायरल जा रहा है सोशल मीडिया पर, where she says, बीजेपी को देखिए कितना ज्यादा जीएसटी लगाया है पेट्रोल और डीजल पर. अरे मैडम वड्रा, पेट्रोल और डीजल पर एक्साइज ड्यूटी और वैल्यू एडेड टैक्स लगता है, जीएसटी नहीं लगता. थोड़ा बेसिक इकोनॉमिक्स का ज्ञान ले लीजिए, बाद में लोगों को ज्ञान दीजिए. Anyway, now coming to the moot point of the debate. The moot point of the debate is this. First and foremost, Shravan and I will clinically nail the bunch of lies being narrated and the falsehoods peddled by the Congress. They keep saying, "Arey, ED की तो credibility नहीं है. Why should we believe the ED? ED is weaponizing, the law to suit the BJP." Please go back and read the Supreme Court judgment of April 5th, 2023, when Abhishek Manu Singhvi had a nice big fat wobbly omelette on his face and had to withdraw his petition. He was representing 14 opposition parties, and Justice Chandrachud told him, do not come to us with generic petitions saying that the law is being weaponized by the BJP or any political dispensation. If you have a specific case, come to us. You have to fight your political battles within the political space. Do not use the judiciary and the courts to settle your political scores. These are the words of Justice Chandrachud to Abhishek Manu Singhvi, after which Abhishek Manu Singhvi scampered and scurried away. इसलिए यहाँ बैठकर बीजेपी को ईडी पर भाषण मत दो. Secondly, ED's conviction rate in money laundering cases is 96%. That of CBI is 97.3%. तीसरी बात, and the most important thing, Shravan, whenever we look at a crime, we also look at the track record, the antecedents of the concerned person who's at the center of the controversy. Now, suppose somebody tells you Sanju Verma is very docile, वो तो कुछ बोलती नहीं है डिबेट पर. You will laugh because I am aggressive. That is my basic DNA. Similarly, now look at Bhupesh Baghel, 5,000 crore rice scam, 540 crore coal levy scam, where his own confidant Suryakant Tiwari and now suspended IAS officer Soumya Chaurasia have deposed against him. Soumya Chaurasia till a few months back was the deputy secretary in the Baghel government. Then look at the 2,161 crore liquor scam, where the biggest recipient of slush money is Bhupesh Baghel. तो भाई साहब, असीम दास झूठ बोल रहे हैं, शुभम सोनी झूठ बोल रहे हैं, ईडी झूठ बोल रही है, चंद्रभूषण वर्मा झूठ बोल रहे हैं, प्रशांत अग्रवाल झूठ बोल रहे हैं, अभिषेक पल्लव झूठ बोल रहे हैं, भीम सिंह यादव झूठ बोल रहे हैं. राजा हरीशचंद्र का अवतार सिर्फ भूपेश बघेल है.